Hey everybody, my name is Tommy. I'm on the product development team here at Merchant Words, and I am also one of our Amazon experts. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some steps in order to get the best and highest value keywords for your listing, for your product listing, and for your PPC campaigns. I like to call it the 1, 2, 3 knockout combo, kind of because you're kind of knocking out your competition here with getting all these high value keywords. So what you want to do is type in a keyword phrase or keyword that makes the most sense and that is the most relevant to your product. So say we're selling an apple slicer. Apple slicer is logically the most relevant keyword for that product. So type that in, click search. And now in this screen, this is our classic view. We're going to see all of the highest value keywords that are relevant to the seed keyword that you typed in, which is apple slicer. So now we have, it shows apple slicer at the top. That makes the most sense. So just over 210,000 searches a month, which actual Amazon buyers are searching in the Amazon search bar. That's what you're getting back here. So just so you guys know, these search terms are search terms that we are getting directly from the Amazon search bar. So we are finding out how the buyer is actually searching for your product. And then we are providing you those keywords and keyword phrases here so you can add them into your listing and to your PPC campaign so you are showing as most relevant to your product and so you show up on page one, showing as you're most relevant to Amazon for your product, I should say. So here we have no idea how these customers are searching for apple slicers, but these are all the ways. So large apple slicer large, apple slicers. It even has the misspellings here, the common misspellings. So what you want to do here is I would download this into a CSV. Maybe take about 50 to 75, put those into a manual campaign, and also to make sure that those top high value keywords are in your title, bullets, description, and back-end search terms. So step 2 here now is from this page, go to check for page 1 search results. And now this is going to pull up all the products that ASINs, products and ASINs, same thing, that are listed on the page 1 of search results on Amazon. So this is just like me going to Amazon, typing in apple slicer, and then these are all the products that would show up on the page 1 of Amazon's search results for the keyword apple slicer. Why is this valuable? Well, because you're seeing all of your competitors here at a glance, and you can dig into their information immediately from here. So, if you don't want to reinvent the wheel and think too hard about what you should put into your ad campaigns or into your listings, you can find out what the best sellers in your category is doing. So let's see what this number 1 seller here is doing. He's doing a really good job here. Obviously, he's ranked number 1 on page 1 for the keyword apple slicer. So now, voila, like magic, we can see all of his keywords, his or her keywords that they are ranking for and getting their sales from, that are driving their traffic to their listing, and the keywords and keyword phrases that Amazon is showing them as relevant for. Remember, you want to be as relevant as possible to Amazon because Amazon loves the buyer. They romance the buyer here on Amazon. They want them to have an awesome experience, and you providing the most relevant information in your listing is going to give the buyer the best experience on Amazon, and Amazon will reward you for that and put you on page 1 for that. So this person is doing an awesome job on their optimization and their PPC campaigns. So what you can do is, if you did not think about a keyword here, maybe that they're ranking really well for and bringing in some sales for, you want to take some of these and put them into your listing and also rank for them excuse me, and also put them into your PPC campaign so you can rank for them higher than them if possible. And from here, I mean, you have everything you need now to create an awesome listing that is going to make you most relevant to Amazon and to hopefully beat out your competition, at least get you into the top 10 on the page 1 of search results for Amazon. I will be shooting another short video on exactly how to use our tool ASIN Plus, which is where we are right now, and a few other short videos. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this one. Have an awesome day, guys.